Hey guys, hope you are doing well. As you know, in the last video we have seen how we can add or connect to domain that we have got from another site for free. Last video we have seen how we can connect that subdomain with the Cloudflare. In this video, I will show you how you can use that domain and connect it with your front-end website. So for this, first of all, uh, we will push this, but instead first of all I will like to show you the site that I will upload deploy. So as you can see that this is the site that we will deploy and we will connect our own custom domain. So for this, first of all we will push our code to github. So for this, follow the commands that I will run in the terminal. So now we will see our whether our code has been pushed to GitHub or not. So for this, simply will you refresh this browser, so you can see that our code has been pushed. So now we will give access uh, virtual organizations applications virtual configure. And here we will click add project. Here you can see this is our repo. We will select this, click on import my site, and simply click on deploy. So now you can see that our site has been deployed. Here we can access it. Now we will connect a custom domain with this So here is full of steps that I will show you. Now add these records in the Cloudflare. Now we will wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and then after that it will be connected. Wait for some it will be connected. It's generating SS certificate for this. We will close this. Congratulations, you have connected your own domain with this. So this is the whole process how you can do this. Where it will work, don't worry. You can see the valid configuration. This is the whole process how you can connect a custom domain with it.